Hey, this is Arjanette with Cooking Couture Atlanta, your favorite celebrity chef, honey. I believe in motivating and entertaining with and around food. That is my mission. My mission, purpose in life is to bring people together. And food is my medium. That's what I use. I use all different forms of entertainment to get people to come together and talk, to elevate, enhance, and evolve. We have created a game, honey. What Color is Your Palate is a food game that assesses your personality and compatibility based on how and what you eat. It not only allows you to get to know your friends, family, and coworkers, and even strangers better, but it really gets to know yourself. You find out some really interesting things about yourself. I teamed up with a very dear friend of mine, Dr. Sabrina Jackson, and she took her personality profile assessment module, Essential Colors, trained me and got me all educated, and then allowed me to collaborate and make it into a food game because I always felt connection between how people ate and how they thought. Comes to find out, I'm right. We just need a little money, honey, because I want to redo the box. I want to redo the actual cards. I got it all set. I paid for the graphic design. Now I just need a little money to go on and put this into motion and order them and have them ready for the holidays so that I can go on a tour promoting people coming together, sitting around the table, eating dinner together, getting to know each other, and having a ball doing it.